Okay? So now, allow me to share to you our business plan. Ito po yung pag-usapan natin, ano yung kitaan. What's in it for us kapag ka nag-market tayo ng Sika Plus. Alright? So now, ito po yung compensation plan is actually designed po siya for a long-term passive income and internationally accepted pay plan. Alam nyo po, in the international market, mainit po sila sa binary na complan. Yung pairing-pairing, ng triangle na form, recruitment-driven, mainit po sila dyan because what they want in the international market is more of a product-driven company. Kaya nga po si Forever Living, si Amway, si DXN, si Usana, and all other international companies, they are more into product-driven. So tayo naman sa Philippines, masyado kasi tayong na involve or na-attach on this what we call as binary comp plan na recruitment driven. So ang ginawa natin is that binalance po natin, no? Naging balance yung product movement as well as balance po yung ating marketing plan so that we in the Philippine market mapi-feel talaga natin na with a small effort of promoting the product, malaki din po yung returns natin through the product movement as well as by creating your network or organization of product consumers. So, ibig sabihin po, meron kang potential na passive income by just promoting the product. Now, ano po yung business packages? 4 po. Number 1, we have the startup package amounting to 6,000 pesos. Ito po yung pinaka mababang entry level po natin, the startup package, and ang product na babalik sa iyo is worth 9,000. We also have the rookie package worth 12,000 at ang babalik naman sa iyo na product is worth 18,000. Alright? And we also have elite pack, 30,000 pesos. Ang balik naman sa iyo na product is 45,000. And lastly, VIP package worth 60,000, then ang product na babalik sa iyo is amounting to 90,000. Alright. Now, ways to earn. What are the different ways to earn? Meron tayong different ways to earn, 8 ways to earn actually. We have the retail profit, direct referral bonus. We also have the sales match bonus. Alright. We also have the power up bonus. Okay, power up, ito po yung ways to earn na kikita ka kahit wala kang pairing, no, or wala kang match. Isang leg lang ang gumalaw, still kikita ka pa rin. We also have this unilevel. Ito po yung sa product movement. Makapag-create ka ng network of consumers. Every time they make repeat purchase, you will earn money, okay, from the rebates. And we also have Promax sales match. Okay? And we also have Promax full share and ultimately itong global share. Okay, now unahin ko po sa retail profit. Our retail profit is 30%. Every product po natin per bottle, okay, SRP is 4,500. It consists of 30 capsules. Kapag member ka, 3,150 lamang po siya. So you will earn 30% retail profit if ever gusto mong magbenta. Alright, now, ito naman is what we call as the direct referral. No? Sa direct referral naman, kapag ka nakapag-invite ka ng startup package, you will earn direct referral bonus. Dalawang component po ito, cash and product. Yung cash na matatanggap mo kapag startup yung sumali, you will earn 100 pesos na cash plus 4,500 na worth of products. Now, you might tell me, Sir Ryan, medyo maliit. Why? Kasi usually, in traditional network marketing, ang 6,000 pesos kasi na entry, guys, ang direct referral niyan sa traditional networking is 600. It's always 10%. Pero ang ginawa ng company, we opted na 100 pesos yung cash at bibigyan kayo ng isang bottle na product para should you wish to sell the product, at least mas malaki po yung return sa inyo, total to 4,600. Or nevertheless, at least man lang, makapag-use ka ng product na hindi mo na kailangang bilihin. Nalilibre na yung product na pang-consume mo because of the direct referral ng product. Okay? Kapag rookie naman, yung cash na matanggap mo is 500, and you will receive 4,500 of product. Then sa Elite naman, 1,000 na cash and 18,000 worth of products. Then sa VIP, it's 2,000 pesos na cash and 36,000 pesos worth of products. So nasa sa iyo po, no, ibenta nyo yung mga produktong yun, gamitin mo. The good thing is that kung dalawa ang gawin mo, nakagamit ka na ng produkto for free, na ibenta mo pa, kumita ka pa. Alright? So kapag nakapag-invite ka nitong apat, isang startup, isang rookie, isang elite at VIP, all in all, ang pwede mong kitain yan is 66,600 pesos worth of total cash and product combined. Okay? Now, sales match bonus. Ano itong sales match bonus? Ito yung gumawa ka ng dalawang group, left side and right side. Kapag na-detect ng system na may isang startup sa left, startup sa right, ang sales match bonus po nito is 600 pesos. Alright? Now, you might tell me again, Sir Ryan, binaryan po ako, naliliitan ako sa pairing mo, 600 pesos lang, samantalang sa ibang company, nasa mga 1.5 yan. Yes, totoo po yun. Kaya lang, itong Complan po natin, may exact science and may exact mathematics. Kaya namin ginawa ito kasi instead na ibuhos namin lahat sa binary or sa match sales bonus yung income, we opted to diversify it so that kahit na hindi ka pa nakapag-recruit, hindi ka pa nakapag-invite, meron at meron kang kikitain from the company, which is I'm going to explain to you later on because of our auto-spill program. Okay? Later on, explain ko po yan. So startup to startup, guys, that's 50 CV, 50 points sa left, 50 points sa right, that's 600 pesos worth of cash. Rookie to rookie, that's 1-2. Okay, elite to elite, that's 3,000. And VIP to VIP, that's 6,000 pesos. Cash po itong makukuha nyo. Alright? Ito pong sales match, wala po itong monthly maintenance. Hindi mo kailangang bumili ng isang product sa isang buwan para itong makuha. No. Kahit hindi ka nakapagbili ng isang product, makukuha mo talaga ang sales match mo whether you like it or else. Alright? Now, etong next na ways to earn, ito yung power up. This requires monthly maintenance. Okay? Our maintenance is you just have to maintain at least one pro pack, no, amounting to 3,500 pesos worth of product every month. Okay? Now, sa power up naman, this will be only entitled to those na kapag-register sa rookie, elite, and VIP. Okay? Halimbawa, nakapag-start up ka ngayon, that's okay, that's fine. You can actually upgrade your account anytime you want. Walang time frame po yan. Wala po yung expiration. Okay? Ano po ibig sabihin nito? If this is you, from your first up to 10th level, kahit isang leg lang yan ang tumatakbo, wala ka pang right side, no? Left side lang yan. Okay, you will still earn, okay, percentage sa lahat ng match sales bonus nila from the first up to 10. Paano po yun? Now, if you are a rookie account, you are entitled to earn 5% sa lahat ng match sales commission ng iyong first level downline or direct. Alright? Kapag ka-elite ka naman, extended po yan, you will earn 5, 4, 3, 2, 1% up to the 5th level. At kapag ka-VIP ka naman, extended additional 1% from the 6th up to the 10th level. Okay? First to 10th, mapapakinabangan mo. So for the sake of illustration, guys, parang ganito po. Sales match. Halimbawa, etong first up to 10th level ay kumikita ng 100,000 per month. Okay? Isang leg lang ang tumatakbo sa'yo, wala kang pairing bonus, sila lang ang meron. 100,000 pesos per month. Ibig sabihin, kapag VIP package ka, from first level up to 10th level, may 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 1 up to 10. Ibig sabihin, okay, you will earn 20,000 pesos per month from the commission na sales match bonus ng yung first to 10th level. Okay, kung monthly yan. What if kung weekly? Weekly din yan. Alright? Okay, for further illustration, parang ganito, ikaw yan. In-invite mo si A at saka si B. What if si A kumikita ng 500,000 a month. Si Andy kumikita ng 200,000 pesos a month. Si B, hindi gumalaw. Ibig sabihin, ikaw, wala kang match sales bonus. Si A, si Andy lang ang kumikita ng malaki. But sabi ng power up, okay lang. Why? Because ikaw ngayon is entitled ka ng 5% sa lahat ng income ni A, and you will be entitled 4% sa income ni C and D. So total 25,000 and 8,000, that's amounting to 41,000 pesos power up override every month. Okay, based sa kanilang month sales income. Okay, kung per month, kung per week, mas malupit kung per week. Okay, now, ito naman is ProMax Sales Match. Ano itong ProMax? ProMax, ladies and gentlemen, is a binary, it's a separate binary dashboard for the company-wide auto-spill program. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Sa company natin, dalawa po ang dashboard mo. May dashboard ka with your personal group na ikaw mismo ang nag-build, at mayroon ka ring dashboard na may mga grupo na malalagay under sa organization mo na hindi ikaw ang nag-invite, kundi binigay sa'yo ng company. Ang tawag po niyan, auto-spill. For the sake of illustration, ganito po siya. Halimbawa, ito yung company. Okay, ito yung company. Ito yung mga sumali. Ikaw ito ngayon. Okay, andyan ka. Every minute, every second, every hour, every day, bawat tao na sumasali sa company, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, kahit hindi ikaw ang nag-invite, ma-encode sila doon sa grupo nila na personal group nila, at the same time, ma-encode din sila dito sa company-wide na structure. So kung ikaw ito ngayon, if this is you, may sumali, ikaw ito, taga Mindanao ka, may sumaling taga Luzon na hindi mo kilala, whether you like it or not, ikakabit yan sa iyo ng company through our ProMax Sales Match. Na-encode ito siya sa group niya, na sarili niyang group, na i-encode din ito under sa structure ng company. At pag may sumali pa ulit every minute, every hour, madudugtong yan siya from left to right hanggang sa mabuo ang structure ng company. Hindi po ito random. Naka-algorithm na po ito, naka-system na po ito, na bawat may sumasaling tao sa company, from left to right po ang auto-spill. Ibig sabihin, since itong structure na ito, okay, nabuo na ng company at na-detect ng system na ikaw ito, hindi ikaw nag-invite nitong dalawa pero na-belong sa left and right mo, whether you like it or not, bibigyan ka ng 300 pesos na sales match. Hindi ikaw nag-invite, auto-spill. Ngayon, pansinin nyo guys, buo na yung structure. Nabuo na ang structure. May sumali na naman from Visayas. Alright? Automatically, idudugtong na naman yan ng company from left to right na naman hanggang sa maubos ito, madugtong hanggang sa mabuo ang company structure. Okay? Perfect, binary, so on and so forth. So nagkataon ikaw ito, may left side, may right side ka, ay di mayroon ka na namang another sales match na 300, so on and so forth. Whether you like it or not. So meaning to say, bukod doon sa ganito, no? Ito po yung structure, ito po yung own organization mo. Ito yun siya. Ikaw ang nag-invite kay A and B. Ito yung personal group mo na ikaw ang nag-mentor, ikaw ang nagsumama sa kanila, ikaw yung nag-invite. Okay, dito kakikita ng 600 pesos na sales match. Okay? Ito naman yung structure na binigay sa'yo ng company na auto-spill, you will earn 300 pesos na sales match. Alright? Sana po ay nasundan nyo po. Next. Meron tayong ProMax Pool Share. Ano itong ProMax Pool Share? Every month po, ang company ay magbibigay ng dividends. Kanino? Sino yung bibigyan niya ng dividends? Ang bibigyan niya po are those people na gusto niyang i-reward because mahilig mag-promote ng product. So like for example, if you're going to ask me the question, Sir Ryan, paano po ako magiging shareholder ng company on that particular month? Kailangan ko bang mag-invest ng malaki? The answer is no. All you have to do, bumili ka lang ng